very, very timely issue of HIV and AIDS. Employees or members of the organization Street Works, which is a very, very important organization here in Nashville, Tennessee. And of course, as members of that organization is the office manager, Mrs. Antonio Spearman. And with Ms. Spearman is the client personnel at Street Works, Ms. Aretha Anderson, and of course with Ms. Anderson and Ms. Spearman is Mr. Brett Holliston. Of course, Mr. Holliston, let me welcome you, Ms. Anderson and Ms. Spearman, to the show this morning.
Thank you.
And to tell you, the three of you, how very, very happy we are to have the three of you here because, as we said earlier, we're familiar with the organization Street Works. And, of course, Ms. Spearman, let's start off with you by having you and later on Ms. Anderson and Mr. Holliston to give us some information about your background, your education, and some of the things that were important in terms of eventually getting you involved in this heroic fight against AIDS and HIV. We'll start with you, Ms. Spearman, and of course Ms. Anderson and Mr. Holliston will give us some information about their background, and then we'll talk about this as an issue this morning.
Sure. My name again is Antonia Spearman. I am the office manager at Streetworks. I manage the office there. I've been there for about 8 months now, and I was told through the person over development over at Streetworks at the time that they were in need of an office manager. So when they told me what the background of the agency was about, the importance of HIV and AIDS and the type of work that would be involved within that matter, I jumped to that opportunity because there's nothing like doing outreach in the community and being involved in the community, but it wasn't until I got to Streetworks till I was actually able to see the big picture of how this virus, HIV and AIDS, is truly affecting our community, especially in communities of color.